So the Rapid began converting our gasoline and diesel-powered paratransit fleet to propane in 2015. And as of March of this year, we're now 100% propane. So the Rapid currently runs 68 active paratransit vehicles in our fleet within the Grand Rapids metropolitan area, which includes the 6 surrounding cities. So if you were to compare the Rapid's fleet of 100% propane paratransit vehicles to a gasoline fleet, we would save 1.7 million kilograms of CO2 every year and a half. Propane is a cleaner gas. It's less expensive than diesel fuel or gasoline. We're currently paying $2.38 per gallon for gasoline, whereas propane costs $1.09 per gallon. We're certainly saving more money on the cost of the fuel, but we also save money as far as maintenance costs go. One of the other reasons we switched to propane is that the EPA considers propane a clean green fuel. The transition away from gasoline and diesel engines was fairly easy. We did need to procure a contract for propane and install a propane storage tank on site. There was some training that went along with that for our mechanics in regards to the propane fuel systems on the engines. I love propane vehicles because the fuel is less expensive. Propane is a clean green fuel and it's safer for the environment and better for Grand Rapids.